In this video, I will show you how to export long videos on Movavi editing for free. When you're done with your project, you'll need to export it as a media file to be able to play it back to your media players. However, what if it's long? This section will guide you through the process of exporting your long project to a popular video. First step is to open the export window. You just have to click the blue export button below the preview screen. Next step is you have to choose the settings. Use the default settings for quick export, and for good quality and small file size, you can choose good quality. A recommended format will be MP4 with 264 codec that works on most devices. The next step is an optional step. You can use the advanced settings. You can click to the advanced to adjust resolution, bitrate, or frame rate. You can lower resolution, but it means to have a smaller file and lower quality. You can keep the same aspect ratio to avoid black bars. Another step is that you can choose the save location. In the save to file, you must pick where you want to save your file. And then you just have to click browse to choose a folder or type the path. You can enter a name in the file name field. And lastly but not least, you can export the video right now. You just have to click on start to export your long video. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.